CFC.
So, welcome to the Greenhouse Seed Company Seed Lab. This is where we climate control the room and we keep our seeds, packaged seeds for sale, and also our main stock of seeds. This is a controlled fridge, temperature, humidity controlled, and we keep here the seeds in special organic bags where they can go from 6 months to 1 year in perfect condition. We also have several machines. Our germination table, this machine here we use to test the germination of the seeds. It can go at different lines of temperature, so we can check different batches of seeds at different temperature or the same batch at different temperatures and check that all our product is 100% germination before we put it on the market. We have then our coloring machine. From this machine, we use this machine to color code some of our seeds. We basically came up with this technology 4 years ago, and this allows us to make mixed packs. So packs containing, for example, 5 different strains, and people have to be able to recognize what is what once they take the seeds out of the pack. So for that purpose we give the seeds a color coating. That's done with this machine and with another machine back there. The combination of these two machines, this one applies the coating and the other one dries the coating onto the seeds. So basically this room is climate controlled, humidity controlled, it's very safe, and this is a little bit the heart where all comes from. In the last 10 years, Greenhouse Seed Company has been growing a lot, from a very small scale business with a few breeding facilities just in Holland to a very large company that researches cannabis pretty much on a worldwide scale. So, Sea of Seeds, welcome to the Greenhouse. You are now in the most famous coffee shop of Amsterdam. Greenhouse has 4 coffee shops, of course the seed company, and we have also merchandise, brand and a souvenir shop. I can walk you a little bit through our menu. We have a very complete bio-organic hydro weed. We have our hazes, our sativas, we have our hashish, our exotic hashish, pre-roll joints, and of course all the seeds. There are some signature names that we are really known for that have won many cannabis cups. We are the coffee shop that has won more cannabis cups than any other at the moment, over 35 of them. And we are really happy to continue the tradition as much as we can. As you can see here on the wall, a few of the names that are visiting us, some of them regularly, some of them just a time or two. The Game, Montel Williams, the Wu-Tang Clan, Ludacris, you have Marfili, you have Messi Gray, you have Bill Maher, you have Outkast, Lil Flip, D12, Prodigy, Simply Red, Bart Reynolds, the list goes on, Alicia Keys, and they all use this place a bit as their reference point in Amsterdam. We take passion in what we do. We are one of the few coffee shops that has a seed company at the same time, so we can really use this platform as a feedback platform. We get feedback from thousands and thousands of smokers coming from all over the world every day, so we are very good at anticipating trends and seeing what people like to smoke in different parts of the globe and so on. Strain Hunter is a project that started about 5 years ago when Arjen and myself decided to make our research into a project that we could use for increasing the knowledge of the industry about how we work, giving a background feeling, a backstage feeling of what we do as a seed company. There are not many seed companies in the world that really do serious breeding and serious research. We are one of the few, and we thought we are now in a position where we can actually show people a little bit how we do it. I see two phenos in this field. I see this is more fruity and the leaf is a little more pointy, and the other one is stronger branching, longer internode a little bit, a little bit more less pointy leaf. And in the end we were not sure if we were gonna do it again after the first time, but we realized that we had in our hands something really big. Not only big from a marketing point of view, of course, but also big for the sake of what we were doing. And the interest, the feedback we got from people about this project was so huge and so fast that we thought, okay, we have to continue.
Sea of Seeds, in association with Greenhouse Seeds, presents the official Exodus cheese.
The Exodus cheese is something that for me, I am so proud to be holding this back in my hands, because it's been a lot of work, a lot of stress, a lot of uncertainties and doubts, and a lot of investment also, and a lot of risk, and now it's here. For the first time in history, the Exodus cheese is in seed form, feminized, available to everyone. And that is very special, especially in the UK, because this is the most famous and I safely say the best plant that ever came out of the UK. And it's amazing. The production on this one is far better than Big Buddha cheese. The flavor, the aroma is very intense, very deep, cheese-like. It's really like, it's the original. This is a special selected phenotype of skunk, and in the reversion process something creates sterility. So it was basically very difficult to reverse the plants, to make males to produce feminized seeds, keeping the whole process fertile. And it took us about 9 months of laboratory tests. We did probably 150 different test solutions on this plant, and finally we got the particular one that worked, and it was like a dream. The production is now good enough for us to launch the strain, and this is amazing. The plant, the genetics are not comparable with any cheese version that is on the market today. This is the original UK cheese cut, and we are the first guys that offer it feminized in seed form, available for every grower. And the best place to get it is definitely Sea of Seeds, because the guys are a tight crew, and they definitely spread my genetics throughout Europe, throughout the UK, in a safe and very efficient way. So get your seeds at Sea of Seeds, guys.
Sea of Seeds.